Artic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360A RGB is a high-performance all-in-one liquid cooler CPU cooler designed for enthusiasts, gamers, and content creators who want exceptional cooling efficiency paired with customizable ARGB lighting. With a 360mm radiator and three high static pressures ARGB fans, it delivers excellent heat dissipation, keeping modern high-end processor cool even under demanding workloads such as prolonged gaming, rendering, and overclocking. The large radiator surface allows efficient heat exchange while helping keep noise levels under control. One key advantage of the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro series is its integrated pump design and VRM fan setup, which not only cools the CPU but also helps manage motherboard VRM temperatures, making it more holistic cooling solution compared to many others all-in-ones. The included ARGB fans are a visually striking element to any build that can be synchronized with popular motherboard RGB software for coordinated lighting effect. Installation is straightforward for an all-in-one unit with mounting hardware that supports a wide range of current Intel and AMD CPU sockets. The fans and radiators are toned to achieve an effective balance between airflow and static pressure, ensuring efficient cooling with minimal noise. Overall, the Arctic Liquid Freezer blends strong thermal performances